Intelligent forward collision warning, which monitors two vehicles ahead as well as the vehicle directly in front to reduce the risk of multi-car accidents. Intelligent emergency braking, which is designed to brake to avoid collisions and reduce the stress of driving in heavy traffic or on busy streets. Intelligent around view monitor helps drivers see people and obstacles around the vehicle. This enables easier maneuvering when parking and positioning of the vehicle during trailer hitching. For the first time, the vehicle also features an off-road monitor, which at low speeds in four-wheel drive helps to check for obstacles around the vehicle. In addition to driving performance, comfort, and safety, our customers want more connectivity. Our latest Nissan Connect system enables use of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making sure that when you are in the vehicle, you're not left out of the loop. These technologies and more make the new Navara the most advanced ever. What that means is more convenience, more peace of mind, and importantly, more enjoyment. It means fun with confidence. Simply put, the new Nissan Navara is an even more reliable partner, bringing you that enduring and proven capability to help you do what you want to do and take you where you want to go.
This is one of many new Nissan models we are bringing to you through a clear purpose of driving innovation to enrich people's life. And we want you to keep guessing what's next.